Yo, today I made a track in the style of Marlon Hoffstadt and I've only used the new nostalgic sample pack. And this time I've used some presets from the Serum sample pack. Let's go. So all the sounds you've heard right now are from the new nostalgic pack. So I'm gonna start with the first sound, which is this Serum preset. It's called Lead Day and Night. And you have some nice macros over here. And right now you hear the sidechain, which is activated from this point. And this is what the MIDI looks like. Quite simple, but effective. Then I'm gonna go to the next sound, which is the bass. And this is the bass. You have some nice dry and wet over here. So if you wanna have it like fully dry, you can just set this to the left. But right now you have a little bit of reverb and delay, which I really like. And then you have the filter. It's quite nice for automation stuff, and this is how it sounds together with the kick. And this works really cool together with this sound. And the kick which I've used here is also from the pack, of course. Everything is from the pack. Go check it out, it's awesome. Really hard kick. So that's the bass and the kick. And then for the drums, I only used one top loop. Literally one top loop, that's it. I just threw it in a project and I just literally made this in 10 minutes. It's insane. So this is how it sounds with the kick. And then with the bass. I love that. And then I have used some nice vocal chops, because in these kind of tracks you hear a lot of old school kind of rap vocals, and most of the time these are from old hip-hop songs, for example, and these are not cleared like most of the time. So you can't use them actually if you don't clear them. So what we did here is we actually did some original recordings in this kind of vocal style, which is awesome. There's a lot of these kind of vocals in the pack. Go. I just put an echo on it and some simple EQing just to cut away some low frequencies. Go. So and then together with the kick and the bass and the drums, it sounds like this. So that really works, and there are also some really nice phrases in the pack, so that's great, these kind of phrases. Feel the bass. Let it take you higher. And of course you have a wet version, but also a dry version, so you can make it as crazy as you want. Then I come to the next part of the drop. And this is the sound that I really like. So it's a really nice gate, and this really works to create the old school feeling. I've built a fifth in it, so you already have like almost the chord sound, you know, it's like two notes on top of each other every time, and you don't have to make like chord progressions yourself, because this is already an interval, like two notes on top of each other. Then I created some macros here. You have this phaser. I like the phaser effect, it gives it that old school flavor, and some reverb here. So together with the kick and bass and the drums, it sounds like this. So and then you instantly get the rave feeling, which is awesome. So now we go to the last part here of the drop. So this is a really nice sound. It's called Sandstorm because it's inspired from Sandstorm. And that really works. And I got the inspiration from Marlon Hoffstadt's song, Day and Night. So they're used like a similar kind of sound, which I really like. So this is a little bit similar to that. So as you can see, it's just a few sounds, you know. It can be as simple as ABC. So this is all made with the new nostalgic sample pack. So please check it out. It's really nice, like what I said several times. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.